Okay, guys. The same process we have applied to the audio remote key, we need to apply also here to the PM remote. Okay, so this is the shell. I will just go back for a while, please. Okay, this is the shell. This is the shell most probably will be damaged through opening process. Okay, just watch YouTube video to see how to open it. It was difficult for me to capture the video while opening the shell, but here in this video we will focus on the board, how to unlock the remote. So it's better to have a new shell ready in the hand while you're doing this job with VM keys. Okay, this is the board. Okay, and we will see. First of all, we need to read it. Actually, we need to read it and to see the status of that VM remote. We will go to transporter clone, read the transporter. We will see the ship type is 49 and the locked is already locked. Locked or not, already locked. So this VM remote is locked already. You cannot reprogram it to the another VM. Here, as I advised you earlier, if you have your own key tool mat, so now we need to remove the battery base, and now we need to remove port two. This is ending with J. Okay, ending with J. Sorry, maybe the autofocus of the camera, I'm getting the model number exactly clear on the video, but it's ending with J. It's not showing the wiring diagram for certain models, okay? But usually OD port, I wanted to match this remote. I want to do it to be